Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making an easy all-over piping cake. At first, this cake looks complicated, but in the end it's actually a very easy technique. You can use any 3 colors that you want. Today I'm using purple, pink, and white. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the cake are 3 different colors of frosting. I dyed 1 bowl purple, 1 bowl pink, and I left one of the bowls white. You'll also need 4 8-inch vanilla cakes, and for the piping I'm using a Wilton 4B piping tip. Before assembling the cake, you'll want to level all 4 cake layers. To do this, I'm using a cake leveler, but you could also use a serrated knife and a ruler. Now let's assemble. Begin by placing a non-stick cake pad under the cake board. Then secure down the first cake layer with some white buttercream. The next step in the assembly process is one of my all-time favorite techniques. It's super easy to do. Start off by piping a dot of white buttercream in the center of a cake layer, and then surround it by purple and pink rings. Place down the second cake layer and repeat the process with the remaining 2 cakes. As always, be sure to place on the 4th cake layer upside down. Before crumb coating the cake, smooth out any overflow frosting. Now it's time to give your cake a crumb coat. Begin by piling half of the white buttercream on top of your cake. Then spread it out with an offset spatula. Finish off the smoothing process by using a cake scraper. After the crumb coat is complete, place it in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. It's time to pipe. This technique is super easy to do. Start with your purple buttercream and pipe a burst of buttercream and then swipe it to the right. Go all the way around 3 times with the purple and then 3 times with the other 2 colors. When you finish the piping on the sides, repeat the same process on top. And the cake is done. All that's left now is to cut a slice and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what cake you want me to bake next.